Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, there's a very famous saying which is attributed to Mary Heaton Vorse O'Brien, who was a writer. And this saying that she says is, the art of writing is the application of the seat of your pants to the seat of your chair, which means you just got to sit down and do it. My proper job when I'm not making videos is writing children's books. And my editor came to me a couple of weeks ago and said, you know this book you're writing at the moment? I went, yeah. She said, can we bring forward the publication dates? So I went, ah. So what happened? I got this idea maybe 3 years ago, and I sort of spent a year thinking about it, and I put together a synopsis and one thing and another, and finally kind of convinced my publisher that this is what I want to do. And I signed the contract, I think early this year, 14th of December. And then I thought, oh yeah, I got all this time. So basically I'd written about 3,000 words, I think, of a 25,000 word children's novel. And that's a kind of 3,000 word synopsis, so bits of that will change as well. So every time it pops into my head, I really ought to get this book written. I go, yeah, it's, you know, I've got plenty of time. This is what authors do. So suddenly I thought, I've got to do this. So I kind of cleared the decks last week. And over on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I've got a book coming out next week. This is one that I'm self-publishing called How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy. So it's all about ancient Greek stuff. So on Draw Stuff Real Easy at the moment, I'm doing how to draw ancient Greek stuff. So click up here to go and see what that is all about. If you're not subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, make sure you are. And so I've done a few videos for that. So that's kind of all set to go over the next 3 weeks, which gives me a little bit of time to get going. So the actual writing period, how long does that take? That's what I always get asked at schools. How long does it take to write a book? Well, it's taken sort of 3 years so far. And now I'm actually sitting down. I'm actually applying the seat of my pants to the seat of my chair. It's coming out very quickly. So this week I'm now up to over 8,000 words. So some people would be surprised by that and think, oh no, I only do 200 words a day. But, you know, that is the thing. It's the application of the seat of your to the seat of your pants to the seat of your chair. So but the thing about a book is you've got to get that first draft out, and then you can come back and start working on it and editing it. And it's the first draft is the hardest thing, is just to get it done. And so having kind of been putting it off, it's not because I got block or anything like that. It's just laziness and putting it off. Now I'm really excited by the whole thing, and characters popping up, which I never expected to be. And they're really interesting characters. Where did that character come from? And ooh, a love interest possibly. All sorts of things. And it's and hopefully it's going to be a series of books. And so I'm thinking, there's not a love interest. I'm setting up this potential love interest now for maybe 1 book, 2 books, 3 books time. But there's a little spark there. My hero is only 10. So we shall see. One magic moment while I was writing it. It's about a boy who can talk to dogs, is the story. And it's like 5,000 words in before anything happens along that lines. And when it does, I wrote the words and went, oh! It was kind of like, whoa, what have I just done? So it's kind of a really quite a magic kind of experience. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and I'm not doing any illustrating at all. I'm not doing any drawing videos much. So if you're desperate for drawing videos, make sure you go over to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and the books come out next week. If you're desperate for a copy now, you can get them from my website. And hey, look, you get free posters, which have just arrived as well. If you buy from my website, you get signed copies and free poster. Otherwise, you can pre-order on Amazon. That really helps me. If you pre-order, Amazon like to see things, you know, and that helps it get up in the charts and stuff like that. So there we are, that's what I'm doing at the moment. That's why you haven't got a drawing video at the moment. And now I really need to get back and find out what is going on in the story, because it's an exciting bit and I'm not quite sure what's going to happen next. I just got to work it out. Thanks for watching, and you can support this channel and get so much more on my Patreon page. Click to find out more. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel on YouTube, and in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye bye.